Welcome to the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. My name is Laura Morrison, and I'm Vice President in charge of the listings business here for exchange-traded products. Today, I'm joined by Rich Goldman from Rydex, CEO of Rydex, and he is here this morning to ring the opening bell. Rich, how are you doing this morning?
It's been a fun morning. We really are excited to launch our new ETFs and participate in the festivities of launching new products on the New York Stock Exchange.
Well, it's fabulous to partner with you. You're a very important partner of ours, and we appreciate that you've listed all 34 of your ETFs on our NYSE ARCA platform. So with that, tell us a little bit about the recent 6 ETFs that you've just launched, the equal weights.
Well, we're feeling like it's a real relevant time to be introducing new equity products into the marketplace. Investors have really gone through a very tumultuous time over the last several years. They're scared. Many of them have money in their mattress and are looking for new alternatives as they start to get back into the equity markets. A lot of the flows have gone into cap-weighted ETFs and indices. And over the years, we've learned that they're not as stable. There's flaws with them. They're somewhat antiquated. And they don't necessarily serve investors as well as new ways of looking at things. So our equal-weighted products offer investors the opportunity to have an alternative choice, an intelligent choice to own the market with an index that gives them better diversification, less concentration risk, and is an intelligent choice. So we're excited to be able to continue to educate investors on the benefits of equal weighting. And we've had a lot of success, whether it's in the U.S. market, sectors, in the non-U.S. markets. Not only are we offering an intelligent choice with more diversified portfolios, but they've performed well. And we know that investors are looking for good risk returns relative to their overall portfolios. We think that we've offered clients a new opportunity to invest across the global markets.
So that works well beyond the large core ETF that you currently have, RSP, for example, that you currently have listed with us.
RSP has been out in the marketplace for over 7 years. It's an equal weight S&P 500 product. Last year, as an example, the RSP outperformed the S&P by 6%. And over 7 years, since its inception, it's outperformed on a compounded basis by over 3.5%. So we've taken that idea, that methodology, and we've brought it to small cap U.S. stocks, mid cap U.S. stocks, and also globally. So in emerging markets, for example, we offer an alternative to cap weighting. Cap weighting historically has major concentrations in countries or major stocks or multinationals in the emerging markets. With an equal weight emerging markets, investors get a more diversified portfolio. And once again, performance in 2010 and over the history of the index has outperformed the cap-weighted product. So we're excited to have an innovative solution for investors as they're looking for new choices. We think that we're giving them something that is very compelling, easy to understand, and it's our opinion that everyone's asset allocation should incorporate some element of equal weighting in it across their global asset allocation.
Well, with that, what would you, in terms of summarizing, want your investors to know about Rydex? What are the top 3 areas that differentiate you as a ETF issuer?
Well, we have really tried to provide investors with innovative choices, ones that are different relative to historical cap weighting alternatives. These are products that are, we like to think of them as a smarter core, a better beta, that can serve as a way to diversify but own the market, whether you're in the U.S. market, whether you're in a sector, looking to gain exposure globally or in the emerging markets. The equal weighting implementation is proven. It's more diversified, offers enhanced risk controls, and we think is a very strong core investment alternative for investors, regardless of whether you're an institutional or a retail investor.
Well, with that, thank you very much for your time. We very much appreciate your partnership with us. As I mentioned earlier, you're always welcome to come back to the trading floor and enjoy the opportunities that we can share together.
Thank you for your partnership.
Thank you.